Hello, lovely listeners. I'm Rim, and I'm so excited to have you here for today's podcast. Do you love watching movies? I know I do, but did you know that your favorite movies can also help you learn English in a fun and easy way? If you've ever felt like learning English is boring or too hard, this episode is for you. Today, I'll show you 3 simple ways to improve your English while watching movies you already love. So, grab some popcorn, sit back, and let's dive into the world of English learning through movies. First, let's talk about why learning English through movies is so effective. Movies are more than just entertainment. They're a window into real-life English. When you watch a movie, you hear how native speakers talk in everyday situations, like ordering food, making friends, or even arguing. This helps you learn natural phrases, not just textbook English. For example, in a movie like The Lion King, you might hear Simba say, "I just can't wait to be king." That's a fun way to learn the phrase, "I can't wait," which means you're really excited about something. Movies also make learning enjoyable because you're doing something you love, watching a story. When you enjoy the process, your brain remembers new words and phrases more easily. So let's see how you can turn movie time into English learning time. The first way to learn English through movies is to choose the right movie and use subtitles in a smart way. Start with a movie you already know and love. This makes it easier because you understand the story. For beginners, I recommend animated movies like Finding Nemo or Toy Story. These movies use simple language and the characters speak clearly. For example, in Finding Nemo, Dory says, "Just keep swimming." That's a great phrase to learn. It means don't give up. Now, let's talk about subtitles. If you're a beginner, start with subtitles in your own language to follow the story. After a while, switch to English subtitles. This helps you connect the words you hear with the words you read. For example, when Dory says, "Just keep swimming," you'll see the words on the screen and hear how they sound. Try repeating the phrase out loud to practice your speaking. As you get better, turn off the subtitles completely and just listen. This will improve your listening skills and help you understand English without help. Choosing the right movie and using subtitles smartly is a great first step to learning English through movies. The second way is to pick up useful phrases from movies and practice them in your own life. Movies are full of everyday English that you can use in real conversations. Let's take an example from Harry Potter. In the first movie, Harry says, "I'm a what?" when he learns he's a wizard. That phrase, "I'm a what?" is perfect for when you're surprised or confused. Like if someone says, "You're late," you can reply, "I'm a what?" It's a fun way to express yourself. Here's how to do it. While watching a movie, listen for short, simple phrases that you like. Write them down, or if you're watching on your phone, take a screenshot of the subtitle. After the movie, practice saying the phrases out loud. For example, say, "I'm a what?" while looking in the mirror, and imagine you're Harry Potter. Then try using the phrase in real life. Maybe your friend says something surprising and you reply, "I'm a what?" The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Movies give you a fun way to learn phrases you can actually use, so don't be shy. Try it out. The third way is to act out scenes from movies to improve your speaking skills. This is a super fun way to practice English. Choose a short scene from a movie you love, maybe a funny moment or a dramatic one. For example, in Frozen, there's a scene where Anna says to Elsa, "Do you want to build a snowman?" It's a simple line, but it's so memorable. Here's how to do it. First, watch the scene a few times and listen to how the characters speak. Pay attention to their tone. Are they happy, sad, or excited? Then, pause the movie and repeat the lines out loud. Try to copy the way they say it. For example, say, "Do you want to build a snowman?" with a cheerful voice. just like Anna. You can even act it out. Pretend you're knocking on a door and talking to Elsa. This helps you practice speaking naturally and improves your pronunciation. If you're feeling brave, record yourself and listen back to see how you sound. Acting out scenes makes speaking English feel like a game, and you'll be surprised at how much you improve. Let's yap up. Learning English through movies is a fun and easy way to improve your skills. With these 3 steps, choosing the right movie and using subtitles, picking up useful phrases, and acting out scenes, you can turn movie time into learning time. Start with a movie you love. Try these tips and watch your English get better while you enjoy the story. What's your favorite movie to watch? Share in the comments. I'd love to hear. If you found this podcast helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning tips. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Keep watching, keep learning, and you've got this.